And now let's move on to our review of a smartwatch at a very good price and very interesting features. The Firebolt BSW 003 360 smartwatch. Big name, big features. Budget smartwatch by Firebolt. Nice round dial, looks pretty premium. Loaded with a lot of sensors. There's an app for connectivity that is their own. Comes for a price of less than 4,000 rupees. But there is a lot of competition in this market now. Where does this one stand?
With more and more smartwatches coming under the budget-friendly tab, it becomes increasingly difficult to track the best of this category. One such product that grabbed our attention recently is Firebolt's BSW 003, aka the 360 smartwatch. So what makes this wearable device so special? Let's find out. As the name suggests, the Firebolt 360 supports a round dial. The smartwatch looks rather neat and the aesthetics are better than what we usually see in budget devices. For starters, we get a silver trim on the dial, which adds a solid character to the profile. We were also impressed with the build quality on offer since the watch feels solid. At just 51 grams, it is lightweight and comfortable to wear. With an IP67 rating, you can also wear this watch comfortably for swimming. Initially, we found the straps to be a little bit on the harder side, but over time the problem resolved itself. Waking up the display, we get a 1.3-inch HD display on the front. Better than previous Firebolt display panels, this screen is brighter and more vibrant. The color reproduction is more natural, and with optimum illumination, a user can look at it under direct sunlight as well. Fortunately, the panel works as good as it looks. Tap or swipe, the display was quick to respond and we faced hardly any glitches. Overall, a pretty good experience. Now it's time to talk about the most noticeable facelift that we've seen on a Firebolt device, the UI. Dramatically improved and impressively upgraded, Firebolt's efforts are visible this time around. The animation on the watch is more fun and intuitive, and we learn something new whenever we tap on any icon. The brand is aggressively promoting the rotating dial menu on the watch, so we had to check it out. While it does work and it looks aesthetically appealing, there is a learning curve to it. But once a user gets a hang of it, there's no going back. Adding some fresh elements to a usually generic interface, we also get video games on this smartwatch. It is a bit difficult to enjoy them given the screen size, but the addition of these apps is impressive. Additionally, there are regular features like watch faces and quick settings. Firebolt has loaded this smartwatch with all the trending sensors one can imagine. But do they work? Well, almost. Like almost every device in this segment, the SpO2 sensor on the watch does not provide reliable results. The sleep monitor performs better, but the round dial might discourage users from wearing the device to bed. It is the heart rate monitor that works well and in sync with our activities. There are multiple sports modes on offer, all of which work well. A user can track their data for these activities from DaFit app. The app does not have any changes from our previous interaction and provides a relatively similar experience. From tracking data to customizing the smartwatch, a user can access everything from here. The battery life of the 360 smartwatch is impressive. The watch gives a mileage of 4 days on a single charge for moderate to heavy use. This can be further amplified if we don't track our activities throughout the day. And it's time for the verdict. The Firebolt 360 smartwatch is the company's attempt at making a near-perfect budget wearable, and they've pretty much achieved it all here. It looks great, comes with an intuitive UI, and brings in great value. At 3,999 rupees, you can expect serious performance from the smartwatch.